Hello, today we are going to work on a cloning mechanism for Scratch. This can be used for a lot of different projects. My favorite is an ending screen where once the game is over, you can have this happen and it will be a lot of fun. So first we're going to go to Scratch and click Create. And this is going to start up our new project. We don't want to use the Scratch sprite cat over here, so we're going to delete it down here. We're going to click delete on the trash can, and then we're going to say yes. Now here is where we choose our sprite. We can make, we can paint, we can upload our sprites, but I'm going to just choose a default sprite. And let's see, I'm going to pick an egg. Okay, so now that we have an egg, we want to create a loop that keeps making clones of eggs. So first we're going to go into a forever loop, and then we're going to try and find the clone. So back in control on the code blocks, we're going to say create a clone of myself. So this is forever going to clone yourself. We want a trigger for the event. For our project, we'll just do when the green flag is clicked. So when the green flag is clicked, forever the clones will be created, but we can't really tell because they're all in the same position. So we go to motion and pick the change direction to go to a random position, block, and we're going to create a clone and then make it go to a random position on the screen. So now when we click it, the eggs go everywhere. Now, the limit for Scratch is around 500 clones, so we want to be able to delete the old clones. So back in Advanced, we're going to do, back in Control, we're going to do when I start a clone, I'm going to wait around 15 seconds and then delete my clone because it'll probably be covered up anyway by another egg. So while we're at this, let's also change the look of our egg. I want the color to be changed every time by a little. So I'm going to say change color effect by 25. So after we create a clone, we're going to change the effect and it's going to go to a random place. And so now when I click it, you can see all the eggs with their beautiful colors are duplicating, and the old ones will start to delete themselves as new ones get developed. Here you can see this is what happens when there's too many. So what we can do is actually lower this so the glitch doesn't happen. And so now we can see that all the clones are getting duplicated, but like the ones that are behind get deleted. Yeah, thank you for watching.